Abzai states that a man came to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu and said, I got sexually defiled and could not find water. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, do not perform the prayer. Hazrat Ammar radiyallahu anhu said, O the believers' chief, do not you remember when I and you were journeying and we became sexually defiled and could not find water? You, however, did not perform the prayer, but I wallowed about on the earth and performed the prayer. When I reached the Prophet ﷺ and informed him of the incident, the Prophet ﷺ said, it was sufficient for you to struck both hands on the earth, then blow the dust off, thereafter pass them on your face and hands. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, O Ammar, fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Hazrat Ammar radiyallahu anhu replied, if you say I will not narrate this hadith to anyone. Imam Muslim, mentioning another authority, added in reply to Hazrat Ammar radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, we put the burden of your narration on you. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 818.